China will grant exemptions to export controls on chips made by Nexperia for civilian applications, the Commerce Ministry announced, a move expected to ease acute supply pressures on carmakers and automotive suppliers. The decision follows export curbs imposed after the Dutch government seized control of Nexperia's assets on national security grounds. Nexperia is headquartered in the Netherlands but owned by China's Wingtech. Beijing did not define civilian use in its statement, but German and Japanese firms reported that deliveries of Nexperia-made chips from China had already resumed. The exemptions apply to mature semiconductors such as diodes, transistors and voltage regulators, components critical to vehicle electrical systems, consumer electronics and industrial equipment, and are intended to allow reviewed shipments for strictly civilian purposes. Industry sources said approvals began over the weekend for shipments to several European car makers and Japanese electronics companies, helping to stabilize production lines that had faced delays, rising costs and the risk of factory stoppages after the export halt. Analysts view the policy shift as Beijing's attempt to de-escalate a widening technology rift with Western nations while preserving leverage in semiconductor controls. Officials framed the original measures as safeguards for national security and technological integrity, and now present the exemptions as consistent with those goals while reducing unintended harm to civilian industries.